Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you all these stuff I have here. They are the stuff that I have for my cake decorating business. So let's start. So let's start from here, going here. So this one, these are just chocolate molds. So I have swirly ones here, I have a triangle, and then a zigzag. These will look nice if you're making a Greek-inspired cake. A cake dividing set that's supposed to be for string work and garland. So mark your cake so that you can make the, what do you call that, you know those U-shaped things, the garlands and string work, so it'll be more precise. So here is the measurement tool that comes with it to measure the U-shaped thing. And then this one, it's to measure it. So if you have, let's say, an 8-inch cake, this is how it's going to be. Okay. So it's going to show you the measurements depending on how big your cake is. One is for football shoes. So you're just gonna cut them out, and then you have your shaper already. So it's your, what do you call that? It's your mold basically, and then you'll have to assemble it one at a time. And then here, these are chocolate transfer sheets. So how this one works is you're gonna get your melted chocolate, you're gonna put it on this transfer sheet, and then once it cools down, the decoration, so these circle decorations will transfer onto your chocolate, and then you have a nice little decor for your chocolates. And then here is just your basic gum paste flower rack. So I'm not gonna disassemble this anymore. So it's basically a 2-layered rack where I can hang my gum paste flowers for them to dry. These are lace mats. You put your gum tech here, you lay it on here flat, and then you let it dry for a couple of days, and then you'll peel it off, and then you have this design that you can put at the side of your cake. And then here, these are cupcake and cookie texture tops. So they look like these. Here. This one is a flower print. This one's like a sunflower print and a rose print. So you just put on your fondant there, and then there's going to be a shape already. It's going to be like an embossed shape of like the roses or something like that. This one is the same. It's a cupcake and cookie texture top. So they look like this. There are three different molds or shapes. They are geometric shapes. These are texture sheets. You call them texture sheets. And then the same thing, you roll it over your fondant so that your base won't just be smooth. It's going to have a different sort of texture, and it really elevates your cake decorating game, if you ask me. Just a lot of different shapes. Here, I'll give you a close-up. So this one's an impression mat. So this one's a square and a diamond shaped one. This one is another texture sheet set, but specifically for bags. This one here, it's like a Louis Vuitton texture. This one is a snakeskin textured one. This one's very pretty when you put it on the cake. I think these will look really great too if you want to make chocolate decors. Maybe I'll make another video for that. Finished with the textured sheets. These are candy molds or chocolate molds. This one's for a pumpkin. So this is useful for Halloween. This one's a template. It's a template if you want to make masks. So here, I'll show you. These are a bunch of templates. There are a lot actually. For the mask, your basic mask, and then a few of these are the more complex designs. Here, this one's like a cute butterfly design. This one. So how this works, you're going to outline your gum paste or fondant, and then once you've outlined them, here is the face, and then you just lay it down here to dry up. Here I have 3D molds for people. So this one forms an entire body like this, and then the arms are here, and then here the machine for an airbrush. So I'm going to start making airbrush cakes now. And then here's some templates again. Same as the football shoes, these are templates for sandals. So you're just gonna cut them out and then you're gonna put them all together so that you don't have to, draw them out one at a time like what I used to do, like what we used to do. And then here's another impression mat. So this one is good also for fondants and even chocolates. I use this for chocolates actually. These are pretty, and these are silicone ones, so it's easier to move them around. The plastic ones, sometimes they tend to break. So I'm down to my last few items. So this one, this comes in super handy when I make flowers. Because the flowers, they curve at the bottom, right? So you can put your flowers here. Wait, let's open it up. It folds and stands like this, and then you put like your flowers like that. Super duper useful, especially this weekend. I have 4 fondant cakes to make this weekend. So this one also for flowers and leaves too. So you let them dry here so there's a shape, like a curved shape. And that's pretty much it. These are the stuff that I got recently for my cake decorating journey. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the small haul I had for you today. And I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking, baking, mukbang, and food related videos. See you soon. Bye!